Hi everybody, welcome back to new tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add QR code to your PowerPoint slide. If you are making PowerPoint slide in which you add some features of your website or YouTube channel and want to add a QR code to it, go to insert. Here you see two options, get add-ins, my add-ins. If you insert QR code very first time, then click on get add-ins. However, when I install after using first time from get add-ins, next time you can insert it from my add-ins. So my add-ins, for first time you click on get add-ins. Here go to search QR, enter, then click on first one and click on add. Then it asks me to read license and privacy policy. Click on continue. After clicking you see pop-up over right hand side, and enter the URL text you like to encode. So enter your text or a link. So I copy it from here, paste it. It will make you a QR code. You can change color from here, and you can also change the background of your QR code in this way, but I want to change it to white. From size you can change your color, increase your size. In this one click on insert, so you get your final QR code. So in this way you can add your QR code to your slide. I hope you enjoy our video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos and also join our Telegram channel. Thank you.